Welcome to another edition of Fridays with Fred. My name is Fred. Today's topic is Fred. I'm getting ready to sell my home and list my home. Are there things that I should do or spend money on to make sure I can get a better return on my investment? The answer is always yes. See, when we go on listing appointments and we with sellers that are thinking about selling their home, one of the first things that we do is we look at the home in the eyes of a buyer. What does a buyer in that type of property in that area want to see in your type of home? Do you currently have it? And is there a small investment that we can make to get it in that condition? For example, recently listed a home. It's going on the market actually today, funny to say. 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with a loft. Walked in the first time and said, wow, this home needs some love. The paint was faded, scratches and dent marks everywhere. Cabinets were faded and original. Some of the mirrors in the bathrooms were broken and chipped. And we said, hey, let's get our contractor and handymans in there and see what we can do. So we decided that we got a quote to get the entire interior of the walls painted, a couple of the ceilings painted, all the kitchen cabinets painted, 2 of the mirrors repaired and or replaced, and added 1 light fixture to property and painted 4 of the doors inside, outside, and trim. All of that we were able to get done for $3,800, which in actuality is a fantastic price through our network to get that job done. Now, the property now looks in fantastic condition. Before, if you didn't do the job, it looks like more of a fixer than anything else, and that's a massive turnoff to buyers, and you'll definitely get some lowball offers. Yet by investing $3,800 into the property, what we were able to do is get it in top dollar move-in condition. So that $3,800 that seller just invested will now get them a return on sales price of at least $10,000 to $12,000, given what they just did. So if we can answer any questions about this topic or anything for you, you can contact us 7 days a week at 1-800-921-9231. And as always, go to fredsaidgroup.com to see any and all properties in all of Southern California. And tune in next week for another amazing edition of Fridays with Fred. Why? Because that's what Fred said.